Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Chrome settings and navigate to Privacy and Security pages. Click Site Settings, then Review Permissions and Blocked Sites list. Look for any explicit blocks under JavaScript, pop-ups, or cookies rules. Clear cookies and site data for the specific site to reset access. Disable any site-specific permission that blocks content, like location or camera. Restart Chrome after changes to ensure the new settings take effect. Open Chrome, / extensions and toggle extensions off to test site access. Disable ad blocker or security extensions that commonly block page elements. If a site loads after disabling, identify the offending extension by re-enabling one at a time. Use an incognito window with extensions disabled to isolate problems quickly. Remove any extension you no longer trust or recognize from the list. Reboot Chrome and revisit the site to confirm the issue is resolved. Check system firewall and antivirus settings to ensure Chrome is allowed. Temporarily disable VPNs or proxies to rule out network routing issues. Flush DNS with the command ipconfig/flushtons on Windows machines. If you use Mac OS, run sudo killall HUPM DNS responder to refresh DNS cache. Reset Chrome settings to defaults if other fixes fail to restore access. Reinstall Chrome as a last resort and sign back into your account to sync bookmarks and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.